Now, if we talk about what we have been transforming in this whole journey. So initial phase, we can think about that we were more focused towards transformation of the materials. So we were having wood, we were converting wood into small tools for, you can say, for toys, for other type of things. Then we went into the phase of transformation of energy. We invented lot of things. We invented different type of ways in which we can store energy, we can convert energy, utilize that energy in the machines, and then utilize machines in transformation of products or services like that. And now we are transforming the information. We have device at present with us, mobile device, computing devices, and they all are actually data generation machines. And with them, because they are recording each and every movement of ours, we can say that we are actually data generating machines. And when we are generating data, we see that data is having our experience, our things around us, and it is, if we extract useful thing from it, then we can get useful insights and knowledge, and then utilize those things again to make our life easy, efficient and productive, which we have always been doing in the whole journey of our human society.